Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Yes, dear students, in the last class, we have discussed about the statistics, right? And what do you mean by statistics and where we are using statistics? Okay. And what is the importance of statistics? Statistics means it is used to analyze presentation and interpretation of a numerical data in order to obtain a useful and meaningful information that is called as statistics. Okay, then we discussed about the what do you mean by data and frequency, types of frequency, continuous frequency, discrete frequency, and two types of data are there, that is uh, grouped data and ungrouped data. And also we discussed about the mean for the grouped data. There are three methods to find out the mean for a grouped data. One is direct method, second one is assumed mean method, and third one is step deviation method, right? Step deviation method. And mode means what? It is the most repeated value, or you can say it is the highest value. Okay, so L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula to calculate mode. Next is median. Median means what? The median is the middle value in the list of numbers. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Okay. So here H is the class size. Okay. Wait for a minute. And also we solved some multiple choice questions. Okay. Today we will discuss 3 and 4 marks questions. So from this chapter we are going to get 3 and 4 marks questions. Okay. So that is, in that first question is consider, wait for a minute. Yes, consider the following distribution of a daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. Okay, so if it is asked for 4 marks or 3 marks, you can use all three methods, okay, or step deviation method, right? So for step deviation method, we need to calculate all DI, UI, FI, XI. So FI, DI, FI, UI, right? So daily wages, that means class intervals they have given. That is 100 to 120, and number of workers 12. This is 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. So this is a class interval, right? Next, number of workers. Number of workers means it is frequency F. We can call it as Fi. Okay. Next, so 12, 14, 8, 6, and 10. Next, we need to calculate xi. Why? Because in direct method, sigma fi xi we want. So sigma fi xi means what? First we need to find out xi, then multiply fi into xi. Then only you will get sigma fi xi, right? So for that, first we need to find out xi. Xi can be calculated by upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So in first class interval, upper limit is 120 or lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 120 plus 100 is 220 divided by 2. That is 110. Right? So first value is 110. 120 plus 140, that is 160. 160 divided by 2. 160 divided by 2, that is 130. So 2 ones are 260 it is. 2 ones are 2 threes are, so 0. To 130. To 140 plus 160, that is 300. 300 by 2 is 150. 160 plus 180. 160 plus 180 divided by 2. Okay. So that is 170. 180 plus 200 divided by 2, that is 190. 200 plus 180, that is 380. 380 divided by 2 is 2 ones are 2 nines are, that is 190. Okay. Now, this is about the xi. Now, calculate DI. DI can be calculated by using Xi minus A. Remember, Xi minus A. A means what? Assumed mean. A means assumed mean. So which one is assumed mean here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 datas are there, right? So in that, middle one I will take it as a assumed mean. Okay, middle value I will take it as a assumed mean, that is A. So DI is equal to, remember, that is it is Xi minus A. A is assumed mean here. Xi already you have calculated, right? So 150. 110 minus 150, that is minus 40. 130 minus 150, that is minus 20. 150 minus 150, that is 0. 170 minus 150, that is 20. Like that, 190 minus 150 is 40. Okay, so this is about the DI. DI can be calculated by Xi minus A. Remember. Next, we'll calculate UI. UI can be calculated by Xi minus A. So already you have calculated here, right? Xi minus A divided by H. H is the class size, right? So H means this is a class size. So remember, UI is equal to Xi minus A divided by H. H is a class size. So what is the class size here? 120 minus 100. That is upper limit minus lower limit is 20. Like that, 140 minus 120, this is also 20. 160 minus 140, this is also 20. So in all the cases, class size is same. Okay, so that is 20. Next, Xi minus A value is 40. Minus 40 divided by 20. This is divided by 20. 2 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 2s are, that is minus 2. If you divide it by 20, then you will get minus 1. Here you will get 0. Here 20 divided by 20, that is 1. 40 divided by 20, that is 2. Okay, this is about the UI. UI can be calculated by Xi minus A divided by H. Remember. Next we'll calculate. Okay. So now we calculated Xi, Di and Ui. Now we'll calculate Fi into Xi. Okay. Why? Because in our formula sigma Fi Xi is there. So for that Fi into Xi. 12 into 110. That is 1320. Right. 14 into 130. That is 1820. 8 into 150. That is 1200. 6 into 170. That is 1020. 10 into 190. That is 1900. Okay, this is about the Fi Xi. Next we'll calculate Fi Di. Fi into Di. That is Fi is here and Di is here. Okay, so if you want, I will erase it so that you can observe clear. Okay, so this is about the DI. Okay, Fi into Di. Fi is 12, Di is 4. That is 12 into 4, that is 48. So 40 is there. That means we'll get 10. That is minus 480. 14 into minus 20, that is minus 280. 8 into 0, that is 0. 6 into 20, that is 120. 10 into 40, that is 400. Okay, this is Fi into Di. Now we'll calculate Fi into Ui. Okay, Fi into Ui. What is Fi into Ui? Fi is here and Ui is here. Okay, Fi is here and Ui is here. So 12 into minus 2. 12 2s are for 24. That is minus 24. 14 into minus 1. 14 ones are 14 plus into minus. It is minus. So 8 into 0, that is 0. 6 into 20, that is, 6 into 1, that is 6. 10 into 2, that is 20. Okay. Now our calculations got over. Now we'll calculate summation of Fi Xi and summation of Fi Di and summation of Fi Ui. Okay. Yes. So summation of Fi, that is sigma Fi. Sigma Fi. Sigma Fi means add all these values, then you will get to 50. Okay, 2, 4, that is 6. Okay, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, that is 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 50. Sigma Fi is 50. Next, we'll calculate sigma Fi xi. Sigma Fi xi. Sigma means what? This is summation. Summation means what? Sum of all the values, we call it as a summation. So, sigma Fi xi. If you add all these values, then you will get 7260. Okay. Next, sigma Fi di. This is sigma Fi di. First, we'll calculate minus 480 minus 280. So, 0, 16, 4, 2, 6, 1, 7. That is minus 760. And 1, 2, this is 0. And 2, that is 5. So, 120 plus 400. That is 200 and, sorry, 520. So, minus 760 plus 520 is equal to 0, 4, this is 2, 240. That is minus 240, the value of sigma Fi di. Next, sigma Fi ui. Okay, sigma Fi ui means here also do same thing. First, we'll add these two numbers, then add these two numbers, then subtract this number by this number. Then you will get sigma Fi ui, right? That is the value of sigma Fi ui, that is minus 12. So this topic is based on the calculations. Totally, it is calculation. From the above table, sigma Fi is 50, Fi xi is 7260, sigma Fi di is minus 240, sigma Fi ui is minus 12. Okay, so direct method. First, we'll calculate the mean by direct method. From direct method, formula is x bar is equal to sigma Fi xi divided by sigma Fi is equal to 7260 divided by 50. So, 0, 0, 5 ones are, okay, 5 4s are 20. Next 2 will remain. 5 5s are 25. 1 remains, that is 10. So, 5 2s are 10. That is 145.2. Average from assumed mean method. Okay, assumed mean method. Average from assumed mean method. X bar is equal to, formula is A plus sigma Fi di divided by sigma Fi. A value is 150. Fi di. Sigma Fi di is minus 240 here. See here. Okay. Next, sigma Fi value is 50. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5. 4s are 20. 4 remains. 5 8s are 40. So 150 plus into minus 4.8, that is equal to 150 minus 4.8 is 145 minus 145.2. Next one, average from step deviation method. So step deviation method, x bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi ui divided by sigma Fi into h. H is the class size here, right? So class size is 20 here. So 150 assumed mean, here we have taken assumed mean as A. A means that is 150. See here, 150, right? So 150 plus sigma Fi ui value is minus 12 divided by sigma Fi is 50 into class size is 20. So if you calculate all these values, 0, 0 will get cancelled. 5 ones are, 5 2s are 10. So 2 remains, 5 4s are. So 2.4 into 2, that is 4.8. 150 plus into minus 4.8 here also. This is 145.2. In all the cases, mean is same here. That is 145.2. Yes or no? Mean is same in all the cases. So you can use any method, but assumed mean method is more suitable. Okay. So if you have big values, then assumed mean method is more suitable. Or step deviation method also you can use. So this is for 4 marks. If you calculate all the 3 methods, then it will be for 4 marks. Next. Wait for a minute. Yes. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeat per minute for these women choosing a suitable method. So number of heartbeats per minute they have given and number of women. So number of heartbeat per minute, this is a class interval they have given, and number of women, that is F they have given, frequency. So this is 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, 83 to 86. So frequency is 2438742. Now we'll calculate xi. Xi can be calculated as, again, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. That is 65 plus 68 divided by 2. 65 plus 68. So that is 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. That is 133 divided by 2. 2 6 are 0.5. 1 will remain, so 0.5. That is 66.5. Like that, 68 plus 71 divided by 2. It will be 69.5. 71 plus 74 divided by 2. That is 72.5. 74 plus 77 divided by 2, that is 75.5. Like that, 77 plus 80 divided by 2, value is 78.5. 80 plus 83 divided by 2 is 81.5. 83 plus 86 divided by 2 is 84.5. This is about the xi. Okay. Now, we'll calculate di. Di can be calculated as xi minus a. So here a value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 entries are this. That means 7 datas are there. So we'll take middle value. Middle value is 75.5. Okay, so that is the assumed mean here. A value is 75.5. So 66.5 minus 75.5, that is equal to minus 9. 69.5 minus 75.5, that is equal to minus 6. 72.5 minus 75.5, that is equal to minus 3. Minus 75.5 is equal to 0. 78.5 minus 75.5 is equal to 3. 81.5 minus 75.5 is equal to 6. So 84.5 minus 75.5 is equal to 9. This is about the DI. Now we'll calculate UI. UI means xi minus a. So here xi minus a is this value. So xi minus a divided by h. H means class size. So class size is upper limit minus lower limit. 68 minus 65, that is 3. Okay. So xi minus a divided by h. Now, xi minus a, here already we have calculated, divided by h. H is 3. So 3 divided by 9 is minus 3. Minus 6 divided by 3 is minus 2. Minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1. 0 divided by 3 is 0. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 by 3 is 3. Okay. Now, Fi di. Okay. Sigma Fi di. Sigma Fi di. Fi is here, di is here. So 9, 2 into minus 9. 2 into minus 9 is minus 18. 4 into minus 6, that is minus 24. 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9. 8 into 0, that is 0. 7 into 3, that is 21. 4 into 6, that is 24. And 2 into 9, that is 18. See, if you want to calculate direct method, means if you want to use direct method, for that we'll calculate Fi and Xi. But here we are calculating by using assumed mean and step deviation method. So any method you can use. Okay. So here this is one type of example for step deviation and assumed mean method. So for assumed mean, we want sigma Fi ui, sigma Fi di, right? And for step deviation, sigma Fi ui. So for that, we'll calculate Fi di and Fi ui. Yes. So what is Fi ui? Fi into ui. 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. 8 into 0, that is 0. 7 into 1, 7. and 4 into 2, that is 8, 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay. Now we'll calculate sigma Fi, that is 2 plus 4, that is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 4 is 21, 21 plus 7 is 28, 28 plus 2 is 30, right? So sigma Fi is 30. Next we'll calculate sigma Fi di. So here negative values are minus 18, minus 24 and minus 9. So 8 plus 4, that is 12, 12 plus 9, 12 plus 9 is 31, 2, 1, 3, 3, 6, so 61, 2, 1, 5, 8 plus 5, 13, 13, 2, 4, 5, 6, so 63. Sorry, wait for a minute. Yes, minus 18, minus 24 and minus 9. Okay, so 8 plus 4, that is 12, 12 plus 9, that is 21. So 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 5, that is minus 51. Here this is 21, 24 and 18. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, that is 63. So 63 minus 51, that is equal to 12. Okay, so sigma FIDI is 12. Like that, sigma FIUI is first calculate these three values and then calculate these three values, then subtract this from this, you will get 4. So sigma FIUI value is 4. Next, average from assumed mean method. What is the formula for assumed mean method? A plus sigma FIDI divided by sigma FI. A value is assumed mean is 75.5, right? Plus sigma FIDI is 12 divided by FI is 30 is equal to now. 2 6 are 2 5s. Okay, so 2 3 2s are 3 5s. So 2 0.4. That is 75.5 plus 0.4 is equal to 75.9. This is the mean by assumed mean method. Average from step deviation method. Step deviation method is A plus sigma FI divided by sigma FI into H. H is the class size here, right? Class size. So class size is 3. 75.5 plus 4 divided by sigma FI is 4. 4 divided by 30 into 3. Okay, so 75.5 plus 0.4 is equal to 75.9. This is also same. That means in both the method, average is same. Okay. So next question, mode of a grouped data. Yesterday we saw one question from the mode. Formula is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is the lower limit of the model class and H is the size of the class interval, frequency of the model class and frequency of the class preceding the model class and frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Okay. So question is, a student noted that the number of cars passing through the spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. So number of cars they have given, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 to 70, 70 to 80. So frequency 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, and 8. Okay. So in order to find out the mode, first we should find out which one is the highest value here, which one is the highest frequency here. Yes. So highest frequency is 20. Right? Highest frequency is 20, or you can say maximum frequency. It is the, so this is called as model class. What we call it as a model class. Okay. So this value is F1 and preceding value is F0 and succeeding value is F2. Okay. Now we got F1, F0 and F2. Next, the class interval of the model class. The lower limit of the model class is 40. So this is L value. Okay. This is the value of L. Now, what is the class size here? 30 minus 20, that is 10. 20 minus 10, that is 10. 50 minus 40, that is also 10. So H is 10 here. L is 40. Right? So L is 40. H is 10. F1 is 20. And F0 is 12 and F2 is 11. Okay. By using all these values or substitute all these values in the formula, you can get L is 40 plus 20 minus 12 divided by 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. Okay. 40 plus 20 minus 12 is 8. 2 20s are 40 minus 12 minus 11 is 23. 8 divided by 40 minus 23 into 10. Okay. So 40 plus 8 divided by 40 minus 23 is 17 into 10. So 40 plus 4.71. So 40 plus 4.71 is 44.71. The mode of the given data is 44.71. Okay. 44.71. In order to find out the mode, first we should observe which value is maximum. So which is maximum frequency. That frequency we call it as a model class or model class interval. Okay. So this value is L and 12 is a F0 and 11 is F1. Okay. And class size is 10 here. This we have solved yesterday. Okay, here also maximum frequency is 61 and preceding frequency is F0 is 52 and succeeding frequency is 38, right? And class size is 20. Lower limit is 60. Then we'll learn about the median of a grouped data. So in order to get a median, one formula is there. That formula is L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So L is the lower limit of the median class. N is the number of observations and CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Okay. Preceding the median class. Frequency. F means it is frequency of the median class and H is class size. Okay. Next. So this one is very, very important. Okay. This question can be asked for 3 marks. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the value of X and Y. So here they have given the median. 28.5 is the median value they have given. And we need to find out the values of X and Y. Okay. So class interval and frequency. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Frequencies they have given 5, X, 20, 15, Y, and 5. Okay. So total also they have given, that is 60. Okay. 60 they have given. Next, we'll find out cumulative frequency. Okay, so in order to find out the median, first we should find out cumulative frequency, that is CF. So CF can be calculated. See, first write down first frequency as it is. Okay, next, first frequency plus second frequency is 5 plus X is 5 plus X. 5 plus X plus 20. That is 25 plus X. 5 plus X is 5 plus X plus 20. 20 plus 5 is 25 plus X. 25 plus X plus 15. 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 plus X. Next one is 40 plus X plus Y. 40 plus X plus Y. Right? Next one is 40 plus X plus Y plus 5. That is 45 plus X plus 5. Okay. Now, total value they have given, that is 60. Okay. Total value they have given, that is 60. So, this is given in the question. Okay. So, this is given in the question only. Now, total frequency. So, last frequency. Consider last cumulative frequency, that is 45 plus X plus Y is equal to total frequency 60. 45 plus X plus Y is equal to 60. Now, transfer 45 plus X plus Y is equal to 60. Transfer this 45 to this side. Then X minus Y is equal to 60 minus 45. So, X plus Y. X plus Y is equal to 60 minus 45 is 15. So, X plus Y is equal to 15. This is equation number 1. Now, total frequency they have given. So here total frequency can be considered as n, small n, right? So small n they have given, that is 60. So n by 2 value is 60 divided by 2. 60 divided by 2 is 30, right? So n by 2 value is 30. This is in the class interval 20 to 30. 60 divided by 2 is 30. So 30, it comes in the class interval 20 to 30, right? Yes or no? 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 means this is lower limit. Okay, 20 to 30 means we want 30 only. So that comes under the class interval 20 to 30. Now this is the value of L. Lower limit is the value of L. So L value is 20 here. And what is the value of F? See, frequency of the median class, that is 20. So this is the value of F. Okay. Next, what is CF? CF value is preceding of the model frequency. This is model frequency. Sorry, this is the frequency of the median class and preceding of that frequency. Okay. So preceding means 5 plus X. So preceding of the median frequency is 5 plus X. So this is the value of CF. This is F, this is L, but this is CF, preceding value. Okay. H is class size. So class size is upper limit minus lower limit. 20 minus 10 is 10. 30 minus 20 is 10. And 40 minus 30 is also 10. So H value is 10 here. Now, substitute all these values in the formula. Formula is median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. L value is 20 plus N by 2. N by 2 is 30 here. See here, 30 minus CF value is 5 plus X divided by F value is 20 into H. Into H value is 10. And median they have given, that is 28.5. Right? Now, transfer this 20 to this side. Okay, 20 to this side. Then it is 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 30 minus 5 minus into plus, that is minus X. Okay. divided by 20 into 10. Now 28.5 minus 20 is 8.5, right? Now transfer this 20 to this side, then it is into 20 is equal to 30 minus 5 minus x into 10, right? Into 10. Now 8.5 into 20, that is 170. 30 minus 5. So 10 into 30, see here, 10 into 30 is 300, minus 10 into 50 is 50, minus 10x, right? So 300 minus 50, that is 250, minus 10x. Minus 10x, so 170 is equal to 250 minus 10x. Now transfer this 10x to this side and 170 to this side. So 10x is equal to, so minus 10x is there. If you come to this side, then it will be plus 10x, then 250 minus 170. Okay, 250 minus 170, that is 80. Okay, so 10x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 divided by 10. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Therefore, x value is 8 here. So this is the value of x. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 8 in equation. Why? Because in order to get the value of y, equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 15. X value is 8 here. 8 plus y is equal to 15. Transfer this 8 to this side. Then y is equal to 15 minus 8. That is y is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. So this question can be asked for 3 marks. Okay? So y is equal to 7. Understood? Shall we move to next question? The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Find the median length of the leaves. The data needs to be converted to continuous class for finding the median. Since the formula assumes continuous class, the class then changed to 117.5 minus 126.5. See here. See length they have given, that is 118 to 126 and 127 to 135. Here upper limit and lower limit are not same. Okay. So what I told, in order to calculate the median, mean or mode, first upper limit and lower limit should be same. For that, what we will do, minus 0.5 plus 0.5, minus 0.5 plus 0.5. Okay. So 118 minus 0.5, that is 117.5. 126 plus 0.5, that is 126.5. 127 minus 0.5, that is 126.5. Like that, 135 plus 0.5 is 135.5. So here upper limit and lower limit are same. What we did, plus minus 0.5 plus 0.5. Okay. Frequency. Frequency, they have given number of leaves as a frequency. That is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, and 2. Now, calculate CF. So, in median, we need to calculate CF. CF is the cumulative frequency. First frequency is 3. So, next cumulative frequency can be calculated by 3 plus 5. That is 8. 8 plus 9. That is 17. 17 plus 12. 29. 29 plus 5. 34. 34 plus 4. 38. 38 plus 2. That is 40. Okay. So, cumulative frequency, last value is 40. Then, see, if you add all these values, 3 plus 5, that is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 5 is 24. 28. 30. Right? 1, 3, that is 4. So, sigma f is also n 40. So, sigma f means it is n here. So, n value is 40. Here, cumulative frequency, last value and total value, that is n value should be same. Okay, always these two should be same. Now, n value is 40. what we want? We want n by 2 in the formula. So n by 2 is equal to 20. This is in the class interval. Yes, 20 where it lies. This is in the class interval 144.5 to 153.5. So 20. Okay. This is 17. This is 29. That means 17. This is up to 17. This is from 17 to 29. That means 20 lies in this interval. Yes or no? So this interval, it is from 8 to 17. Last value is 17. And this is from 17 to 29. That means the 20 lies between 144.5 to 153.5. Yes or no? Now, L value is 144.5 and frequency F value is 12 and CF value is preceding value of the median frequency. So median frequency is 12 here and preceding value, that is 17. So CF value is 17 and F value is 12. Class size is 9, that is upper limit minus lower limit, that is 9. So what is the formula? Formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. 144, L value is 144.5, n by 2 is 20, CF is 17 divided by 12 into 9, that is 144.5 plus 20 minus 17, 3 by 12 into 9. So 144.5 plus 20, 3 9s are 27 divided by 12. Then if you calculate 27 divided by 12, then you will get 2.25. 144.5 plus 2.25 is 146.75. Okay. So this is for 3 marks. Okay. Now we'll calculate one more question. Okay. So wait for a minute. Yes. So find the mode for the following data. This question was asked in 2023-24 model question paper. Okay. 23-24. Okay. So this question was asked for 3 months. Here we need to find out the mode. Okay. We need to find out the mode. For that, what we are going to do? So first consider which one is the highest frequency here. Highest frequency is 15. Right? Highest frequency is 15. So this is F1 and this is F0 and this is F2, right? So yeah, 15 is a lower limit L. So L is equal to 15 and F1 value is 15. F0 value is 13 and F2 value is 7. And what is the value of H? H is 10 to 15. That is upper limit minus lower limit. That is 5. Okay. Now, formula is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Right? So L value is 15 plus F1 value is 15 minus F0 value is 13 divided by 2 into 15 minus 13 minus F2 value is 7 into 5. Okay. Now, 15 is equal to 15 plus 15 minus 13, that is 2 divided by 15 to the 30, 13 minus 7, that is 20 into 5. So 15 plus 2 divided by 30 minus 20, that is 10 into 5. So 2 5s are 2 1s are 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So 1 into 1, that is 1. Therefore, mode is equal to 15 plus 1. That means 15 plus 1 is 16. Mode value is 16 here. This question was asked in 2023-24. Okay. Yes, have you taken? Okay, shall we stop today's session? Okay. Yes, my dear students. Shall we stop today's session? Have you taken? Okay. Yes. Study well. All the very best. Thank you. Thank you so much.